Hi, in this video we will see how to change screen size in CapCut. Now let's get started. Before moving to the video, please subscribe to my channel. Open the CapCut app. Select New Project. I have selected a photo of bag. The editor has opened. Photo I choose is here. Move to the right and you will see ratio. Select it. The picture is fit to the screen by default. We will choose 9:16 for YouTube Shorts or TikTok screen. This is used mostly for Reels and Shorts. You can also choose 1:1. Choose 16:9 for YouTube videos. 4:3 also supports YouTube. Here are other ratio options for other app screens like 3:4, 5:8. You can also choose 2:1 to 35:1 depending on your requirements. Use your both fingers to resize your video. You can pinch it to make it smaller or bigger. Adjust anywhere you want. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, comment below and do subscribe my channel for more videos.